Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Shafia binti Syamsuddin and my matrix number is 02311033329. Today I want to review a movie that is quite interesting for me. A movie that is interesting in terms of animation, voice actors, and background music. So, let's begin. The movie I want to review today is Kung Fu Panda 3. Kung Fu Panda 3 is an exciting and moving film that continues the adventures of Po, the lovable panda who has grown from a clumsy fan to a skilled martial art hero. Let's talk about plot and execution in this movie. The story picks up with Po reunions with his long-lost father, which leads him to a secret panda village. The village setting a lush and imaginative, providing a new backdrop for Po, challenges and growth. The main antagonist, which is Kai, a power-stealing bull who poses a grave threat to the kung fu world, bring tension and action to the narrative. Poe's journey to become a teacher to an entire village of untrained, fun-loving panda is filled with humor and heartwarming moments. And now, about the animation, and the animation is top-notch, which with vibrant colors and fluid ancient scenes that are a trademark of the series. The incorporation of traditional Chinese element in the visual and the soundtrack add depth and authenticity to the settings. And for the characters and performance, Jack Black continues to excel as the voice of Po, bringing humor and sincerity to the character. The chemistry between Po and his father, voiced by Bryan Cranston, add a layer of emotion depth to the film. The returning character, including Master Shifu and the Furious Five, contribute to the film dynamic ensemble feel. So now I want to tell you about the lesson that I get from the movie of Kung Fu Panda 3. First, embracing who you are. Po struggle to balance his identities as both a dragon warrior and a panda highlight the importance of embracing all aspects of oneself. Second, the power of teaching. Paul learns the being a teacher involved not just passing on knowledge, but inspiring and adapting to the needs of others. His creative approach to teaching Kung Fu to the pandas emphasizes the movie innovative spirit. Third, unity and teamwork. The film culminates and powerful in a powerful message about the strength of community. As for united, the pandas and his kung fu allies. The film celebrates the idea that everyone has something valuable to contribute. So in conclusion, Kung Fu Panda 3 is a successful movie that maintained the same charm and fun the previous movie while delving into different layer of emotion. It is film that appeals to all ages, provided laughter, fun, various lesson and has a very interesting storyline. So that's all from me. Alright, that's all. Thanks for watching guys.